Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today's gonna be a real quick video. Here's my AirPod Pros. Sorry, I have my light downstairs set up, so today the lighting's not gonna be the greatest. But here's the silicone protective case from Easy World. So I'm curious to see how this silicone quality is. So I'm gonna pick up a lot of pocket lint. I don't know. Okay, here's a little belt clip. Inside, this is sticky, which is good. So far, this feels really soft and feels like it will not pick up pocket lint, which is good. I'm just kind of rubbing against my pants a little bit. It does collect some dirt and dust, but it's not horrible. It's not as bad as like the very first generation of silicone. And I'm sure a lot of y'all know those, but this one seems a little bit better. So let's slide that in. Try to slide in straight here. I think that's pretty straight. And this seems to close in okay. It's not the greatest. I don't know, is it blocking the LED light? I mean, it should show, supposedly, but I don't think it does. So let's close this here. So this side's okay. This one seems a little bit off. Let me wiggle this around a little bit. Yeah, I'm just kind of working this a little bit. It looks like it's not really sitting flush on this side here. This side's okay. I mean, maybe it's sitting a little too far forward. I think that's kind of how they want it. Yeah, this one doesn't seem to really be cut correctly. But I would say it'll do the job. Just not the greatest. So I got this one because just like my other AirPods, I put a little tracker on it. So I wanted something that had a little loop so I could put a tagger on this one too. All right, and that's just what I do to all my AirPods, just so I don't lose it. This way, at least beep, I can find it. I probably will not be using this one. I'll just give it to one of my friends or something. I just have no use for this. So that's it. This again is from Easy World. Build quality seems about average, nothing spectacular. As you can see, that is just really off. On this side especially. I'm trying to squeeze this around and adjust it, but I just don't think that it's there. I mean, so you can see how the cut is okay over here. Sorry, it's not the best lighting. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I would have to go for a different brand because this one is definitely will not cut it for you. But, you know, to protect and for the function, it's there. But other than that, if you're really picky, then this would not be the one for you. I just try and double check. Maybe I just put it in crooked, which could be possible. Maybe I did. I mean, I don't think I did, you know? I mean, okay, here, let's try it. I'll just take this off. Okay, then we'll take this off. Okay, start fresh. Here we go. Start fresh. Let me just close this. How's this look? Yeah, even closing it like this, it's off. I mean, it's not too off looking. Sorry, again, I just don't have the other light with me. It's downstairs. I didn't grab it for this demonstration. So the lighting would not be as good for you to see everything. So I'm trying to just put it in as even and flush as possible. Okay. That looks okay. And I mean, yeah, there's still a lower on this side. That's okay. Here we go. Okay, I could be wrong. It is maybe just user. Oh, I had the gap up back, not the front. So let's take this part off again. All right, start over. Okay, and I'll just push it in here. No, I think we're back to where we were earlier. It wasn't user error. I mean, I don't think this was stretch. Maybe I just had to let it stretch. I don't know, y'all leave a comment below. What do you think? Is it just me? I mean, it does feel like it's a little better than my previous install of this. It's not perfect. I mean, you can see this, how this one just doesn't line up as even on this side versus this side, but am I being too nitpicky? I still can't really see the light. I think I do see something barely. I don't think that would even show up on camera. That's okay. I don't think that notification light is that important for me anyways. Well, I mean, that's it. What do you think? Yeah, so again, I wanted a little loop so that I could put a tracker just like this one. And that's about it. Again, this is from Easy World silicone protective case. The build quality is not bad. I'll use it a couple of days and I'll see how it is. You know, if it picks up a lot of pocket lint that a lot of silicone sleeves are known to do. I think this one's gonna be fine. I mean, it's more of just protective, you know, just for my comfort, because you know I like to keep my stuff nice and not scratch as long as possible. But I think it'll serve its purpose. Nothing spectacular, nothing to write home about. I was gonna put this loop on right now just for show. But that's it. All right, I'll leave it there.